Howdy folks, it's Hansom, and today we will be working on the Canon C70. We have the wobbly screen. Man, look here, bro. In the middle hole. Oh, okay. Go ahead and pull up. I got the screw right here. Man, praise the camera gods. There's supposed to be a screw there and a screw here. Good old Loctite. Y'all can see where these screws are hidden. Right there. Alright. Put you here. The ultimate test. It's turning on and off too, so we're good. I grew back in. Well, no screw left behind. Y'all know the drill. Peace. I'm